Today I'll be showing you how to draw a charger on SolidWorks. The first thing we're gonna do is to open a new part. We go to top plane and open sketch. Draw a rectangle from the center. Then we go to smart dimensions. We go to features, extruded boss, then we choose 29, then we open sketch on this face, we set normal 2, go to smart dimensions and take our suitable dimensions. 9mm for each side, that's enough. Then we go to sketch fillet. We select those 2 points and we take 2mm from here to from the other sides. We press OK, we go to features, extruded parts, we press OK. Then we can add more fillets to make it look more real. Two is too much, 1mm I guess. Now it looks more real. We can add something to this stand. We open a sketch like you see, then we press offset entities. We select all entities and we set reverse. We select the wrong one here. We press 1mm, that's enough. And extruded boss by 1mm. Select the whole part. We go to fillet. The reason why we keep adding those fillets is because it gives a real view for the product, because in real life those edges doesn't really exist. We're okay with that now. We press OK. We are done here. Now we can change the color of the product after we complete. Before we complete, I'm sorry. I guess it's black. We press OK now. Then we choose this sketch, add a fillet on this plan. We are okay with that. Then we add sketch here, normal 2. We draw 2 circles on both sides. 3mm circle will be enough. $12mm for both. And we press OK. We got features, extruded boss base, and we press OK. Then we almost complete, and for the aluminum parts we open up a new sketch and set offset entire for 0.1, and we press OK. We do the same thing for this and we press OK. We go to features, extruded boss, we choose 10. 10 is okay. We open fillet, choose 1mm and press OK. Then now what we're gonna do is to change the color of the function. Go to aluminium, polished aluminium, choose also the surface. We are done here, and to make it more real we should modify the scene. Maybe rooftop will be okay for that, and we change the view direction from here. That's okay, I guess. And we go to render tool to make it look more real. We go to add-ins, photo view must be selected, and press OK. We go to render tools. If render tools doesn't exist, we right click here and choose it. We go to render tools, we press integrated preview. It takes time to show the real shape. Much better.